Hello, good morning. This is Milo. Today is Saturday. It's my hiking day again. I'm on the Licking Trail. Oh no, this is the Arabic Trailhead. It's uh, it's beautiful. See if I can do this. It's not a difficult trail actually. It's low impact. So I'm looking at the map right now and see how it is. Where it goes. Oh wow, it looks like it's a very nice trail. Let's see. All right, here we go. Here it is. This is the road going to Bob Hope's house. Yeah, it's all guarded actually. So it's called the Arabic Trail. Here we go. Arabic Trail. Here we go. Look at all the beautiful flowers. Here we go. This is where we start. Oh, I gotta get. Look at this. Here's the view. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. Whoop! Some water leaking here. Here we go. Here's the view. This is the starting point. It's awesome. Look at that, that's a street right there for these houses on the side of the hill. Look at that. Woo! Rugged. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm glad I wear hiking shoes today. Oh, look at this. They put something there. It's so pretty. And this is on the trail. Really cool. Look at that. Those are houses. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, I don't even want to live in this place. Shoot, look at this. Whoa. These are the condos. Oh my goodness. Can't believe if there's an earthquake, it would be scary. Yeah, these are the houses. The side of the mountain. Look at that. And this is a mobile park. Manufactured homes. And above very expensive houses. It's interesting. What a contrast, huh? These are the boulders to support the soil from erosion. Oh, it's nice. It's a beautiful day to hike. Look at this. First time to hike here. This is gorgeous. I'm trying to videotape it. Oh, look at your beautiful dogs. Is it a long way?
It's not a.
I mean, you go as far as you want.
Yeah.
But
Oh.
if you go just like up and around, and then the old ball
Old
post
yeah, you can
is
go.
right there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. But
All
you
right.
wanna get in and out before it gets too hot.
Yeah, that's true. Look at the view. Which way? This one. Oh my god, I don't want to get lost. This is the one. You have to be very careful on these boulders, or I mean stones, because you can slip and break your ankle. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Awesome. Whew. Hello. You started late, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God. I've been walking for about an hour and a half. So
You have?
yeah, I'm
You're
going
on the way
down.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going
You
down.
found some shade.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
How long did it take you to get out?
Oh God, I don't know. Yeah, I went way up, there and then down. Yeah, it's probably an hour. I've been walking for about an hour and 45 minutes. That's enough. Going down is much harder on the knees. Whew. Yeah, there you go. All right, you're almost down there. Oh, there's a fox. There's a fox. Or no, that's not a fox. It's a... Oh shit. It's a wild animal. Huh. There's a fox. Where did you go? Woo, woo. This is the problem with here. There's some wild animals walking with you. Oh, where did you go? Where did you go? He's hiding someplace. Ready to attack me? I hope not. Oh, there you go. He's hiding in the bushes. There, right on top of the hill. Whew. Oh, this is a house? Must be a house. Oh my goodness. It is a house. Oh, oh Lord. Halloween. Whew. Whew. Nice hike. I just went halfway though. I didn't go all the way up. My knees, it's bothering. Oh. Whew. All right. Look at that. It's a nice place to walk because it's shaded. Whew. There's the house of Bob Hope up on the hill. I'm gonna take a picture. This is an empty house. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. Wow, what a beauty. What a gorgeous house here. Woo-hoo. Nice. Wow. Look at this house here. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Awesome. It's like a cabin. Fantastic. Oh, I love it. Good design. Look at that. Cabin in the desert. Wow, it's gorgeous. Whew. This could be a architectural digest house. Actually, it's a gorgeous house. Oops, sorry. Wow. Here we go. We're, oh, a lot of houses in here. I didn't even know. This is the Arabic Cove. Look at these boulders. How big they are. Oh, oh my God. Look at this. Whew. Beautiful. Whew. I think we better head back. This is private property. Look at the house there. Wow. Whew. We'll head back. Whew. What a gorgeous house. Ooh, I want to own that. It has a fireplace. Oh, man. Awesome. Look how high the mountain is. Whew. Palm Springs is paradise indeed. Look at that. Okay. Whew. It's beautiful. Look at the rock formation. All right. Look at that. Hoo, hoo, hoo.